You need to assume that anything a prospect gets from you or a customer buys from you, they have no idea how to use it. The moment this year, back in February, that we started including some type of instructions, we call it a consumption guide, with every sale, our revenue grew, our stick rate went up, and our refunds dropped. Because people need to be trained on how to best consume your product or service. And it needs to be simple and it needs to be visual. Let me give you an example. In the supplement industry, you might tell people who just bought a joint supplement, let's just say, that for the first 30 days, every pill that they take is feeding the cells in their body and helping to nourish and repair their joints. And then after the first 60 days, they'll begin to actually feel results. And after the first 90 days, they'll begin to see results in how they walk or how they move. Plus, you might tell them that anytime that they do anything a little bit too strenuous in their life, maybe they could take 2 pills instead of just 1 pill for 3 days in a row, assuming that you know that's healthy. Because the idea here is twofold. First, we want them to know that it didn't take 30 days to mess up their joints, so it's probably going to take a lot longer than that to fix those joints. And by getting them to visualize a full 90 days in the future, it increases the chance of them actually taking your supplements or using your products and services long enough so that they could actually get the results that you know they should be getting. Second, we're telling people that it's okay, on occasion, to take a little bit extra or to do a little bit more. Again, only if you know that's healthy, because that ensures that they're going to be left with an empty bottle when it's time to reorder or when their next subscription arrives in the mail. Because from our surveys, the number one reason people stopped a supplement subscription this year is because they still had pills left over and they felt like they didn't get that magical result in the first 30 days. I was just in a meeting with somebody the other day who sells an oil-based supplement, and the consumption guide that they use is a really simple small business card that gives people 3 ideas on how to fortify every cell in their body. Ideas like just put 3 drops on your salad at night, or put a few drops in your kid's sandwich, or put a few drops into your protein shake. Because normally their buyers would just be squirting a few drops every single day into their mouth. But the idea is to show people new ways to consume more of your products and services so that they get the most value from it and they use it up on time so that they want more from you. And this goes for every kind of a product or service out there. If you sell diamond rings, you should probably go out there and educate people on how to keep that ring looking amazing. If you sell real estate, your consumption guide might show people how to instantly increase the value of a new home. Or if you're a consultant, you should show people how to actually implement what you show them rather than just giving people more ideas, because we all have far too many ideas already. So if you help people implement 1 idea a week or 1 idea a month, they're going to get far more value and you'll have a long-term client. Tell me in the comments below how you could use this in your business.